an interview for a job. May I come in, sir? Yes, please. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Please sit down. Thank you. What is your name? Meera. Married or unmarried? Married. You have applied for the post of a personal assistant, right? Yes, sir. What are your qualifications? I am BSc. I have also done a diploma in typing and shorthand and secretarial course from the Government Polytechnic, Talasheri. What is your speed in typing and shorthand? Typing is 50 and shorthand is 100 words per minute. Can you work on a computer? I can do the word processing on it. Have you worked in an office before? Yes, I have worked as a PA to the manager in DK Industries. Have you ever left them? No, but I am looking for a change now. Why? The place is very far. Besides, the salary is not enough. What is your present salary? 2,100 rupees per month. What salary do you expect? Around 3,000 rupees. Can you communicate in English fluently? Yes, of course, I can. One last but very important question. A personal assistant may have to stay back late in office sometimes. Can you do that? Only once in a while, sir. Not always. I have a small baby. All right, Mrs. Meera, that will do. We will let you know soon. Thank you, sir.